You're all humans at the end of the day. I know a lot of you are trying to sit there. All right. So, can you tell us what's in this? And what is the name of the book?
Hello. It is my, actually I'm very happy first of all, and I'm grateful to Ron sir and Dev sir as well as Caroline madam. Because of them I could step one to write this book actually, which in this book actually the pain I have seen, I have just feel it in myself with my other relatives or my friends or my colleagues, and how to get rid of pains and tension, worries and frustration, and how one can transform their life with the help of meditation, yoga, healing and all the tools, which is really helpful to others actually to go in the higher level of consciousness. This is the beauty of this book.
And round of applause. Would you like to name who is your guru who actually taught you? How did you get started with your why, and how did you find out? Would you like to know that?
Yes.
And when did it happen? How long it has been?
It started actually in my childhood. Actually, my father was very interested to help the other people. So in my what is called very childhood, I used to go to the different gurus and learn so many things actually with them, to ask the questions, how to solve the problems, how to get out of this all the problems, to heal the people. And I learned so many things with these people. I'm really grateful to all of them. The main important my gurus are, I have learned these things with BKS Iyengar from yoga, then Osho, the best practice which is healing and other meditations. Then I learned Venerable Sangharakshita, he's from England, the Buddhist psychology and Buddhist practices I have been learning and implementing in my life more than 35 years. So these are some my teachers. I'm really grateful to all of them, and because of them I'm here, and because of Ron sir and Dev sir I'm just written this book. Thank you very much.
You and I have had many conversations.
Yes, definitely.
And one of the things I realized about Prasadika was very nice man, as you can see. Good heart, very genuine, right? And also has a lot of knowledge, diverse knowledge. But when I said to you, Prasadika, why are you not getting paid? Why are these people not coming up to your workshop? Why are they not recognizing your talent? Why are they not appreciating you? Why are they taking you for granted? You remember that conversation?
Yes, I remember.
And what did I talk to you about the fact that you've learned all these things from different people, but you can come up with a combination of all of that stuff and make it yours?
Yes.
A unique process, right?
Yes.
How did that help you? How did that help you on your journey of establishing yourself now as an expert in what you do?
Well, in one word I can say, I have to apply whatever I have learned up to now. Immediately apply these things with the people actually. The main thing is that this book I have written, that is the first result which we can see. And the thing is that I have applied this knowledge with different people. I have been doing all these things to apply the knowledge, see the results. I am the result oriented person, I am a scientist. So the main thing is that I always go with my heart and help the other people who is really in need. So this is very important.
So here's the thing. The real challenge was technical skill, and the knowledge was not the problem. The challenge was how to package it and monetize and market yourself and brand yourself was the problem. Do you think that he would be looked upon as a different personality in terms of branding if he has a book than he had no book? How many of you believe that?
Yes.
That's a big leap there's a quantum leap that he's taken today. This is one of the biggest pieces which was missing. One of the biggest problems is He is nice is definitely a great asset, but also a problem.
Yes.
The problem is being too nice, people take you for granted. He's healed so many people. Easily could have made crores by now. But he did. You come, take this, free, go ahead, no problem. He's too nice. For him it's a different thing. He had to learn business. So he operates from where? Heart. But in the business, yes, you need to start with where? Heart. But then you need to combine what?
Mind.
So this and this connection happened in last few months. I think this will definitely change the way he's branded himself, positioned himself. As he launches the book, as it makes available, we told him that no more free stuff.
Exactly. Yes.
Right? No more free stuff. So we fixed a lot of things. He's built his program, he's building his back-end funnel now. Now he's learning the business aspect. So the second aspect. So give him a round of applause and wish him good luck. Would you like to?
Yes.
Alright. Okay.
Where is the page after?
Okay. We are so bad with this. You see, this is not our strength, for sure.
Well, you look at it, all three of you look at me.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay, would you like me to help?
Yes.
Yeah. She's expert. Any question you have for Prasadika? Like anything about the journey, knowledge, yes.
Where are you based out of, sir?
Where are you based?
From Pune.
Pune. So
Yeah.
you conduct your workshops in
I
Pune.
conduct my workshops on healing, basically, and the morality, basically.
Any plans to conduct in Hyderabad, sir?
Yeah, sure.
I can assist you in that, sir.
Awesome, awesome, great.
Thank you very much.
Great company, yeah. See, this is the beauty of this. The 1 Crore Coach family, they collaborate, they help each other. They, there's no question of me better. It's about collaboration.
I have a question. How did you overcome this feeling of helping others? Because I pick up a verdict from Ron's statement, you can never pour from the empty cup. And this is what I've been doing from the past so many years. So I could feel what you are saying this. So how much time does it?
No, it is it is happening with me actually. To just giving.
So
but
that's-
as Ron sir discussed now, that I was talking so many times how to just convert this my passion to this business.
So I also had the same
I
problem.
had the same problem. That is what Dev sir explained. I had same problem, but step by step, the both people and Karin ma'am has helped me so deeply to just go systematically and package myself, market myself very nicely, and make my standard very high. So